Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Amazon Seller Central for shipment automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Settings tab in the upper right corner. Click on User Permissions from the drop-down menu. In the User Permissions section, identify your seller account information. Find the MWS Authorization Token option. Click on the Authorize a Developer link. You will be redirected to a new page for developer authorization. Enter the developer ID provided by your shipment automation tool. Provide your Seller Central credentials if prompted. Review the permissions you are granting to the developer. Confirm that you are comfortable with the access level requested. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will now receive an MWS authorization token. Copy this token for use in your shipment automation setup. Return to your Automation Tools interface. Locate the section for Amazon Seller Central integration. Paste the MWS authorization token into the designated field. Validate the connection to ensure successful authorization. Follow any additional setup prompts provided by your automation tool. Complete the integration process based on specific tool instructions. Test the setup by running a sample shipment automation. Monitor for any errors or issues during the test run. Once confirmed, you can start using the shipment automation features. Regularly check your integration settings for updates or modifications. Keep your authorization token secure to prevent unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.